Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 2nd, 2021. We're going to break down our options that we got ongoing on our Thinkorswim platform. We're going to show you all our portfolio as to what our stocks have been doing, and then we're going to give you all the price prediction for future fintech. Ticker symbol is FTFT. Give you all a heads up as to where we're anticipating that market to go so that you can get in position and win. If you all appreciate all of this information and you're learning from it, then before you head out, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We're here to ensure that everyone gets the competitive advantage of among everyone else who participates in these markets to ensure that they win and profit. So make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Okay, so real quick, these are the three options we got going on right now on our Thinkorswim platform: Ginkgo Solar Holdings, Rite Aid, as well as Sealed Air. You all can see right here in this column, the P&L column, we're down $166 right now, which is nothing to worry about. You know, we just need to make sure we pay attention to the price chart to see if there is still strength being exhibited, because if so, or weakness is still being exhibited, because if so, then we'll keep the options going on. All right. So you all can see here for Ginkgo Solar Holdings, we have about 14 days left. So we're going to have to act relatively quick into the market for that particular call option. And then right here for Rite Aid, we have 28 more days, okay, in order for our option to play out the way that we expected it to do, and 49 days for Sealed Air. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these out real quick. The first one we're going to look at is Ginkgo Solar Holdings. JKS is the ticker symbol. And as you all can tell here, we're not necessarily seeing a lot of weakness here, right? We may have to actually get rid of this particular option going into next week, because I'm not seeing that weakness instilled into the market than what we expected when we first put on this option, right? And seeing how we have concluded on the 3-day time frame, it could go either way still. So we're going to watch this one a little bit more closely in terms of, do we let this option continue to ride on? Do we let this put continue to be on the table, or do we need to let it go? All right. Even here on the weekly time frame, the market in Ginkgo Solar Holdings, it is still harnessing weakness, but it's not extremely weak. So that is why I'm a little bit more cognizant and vigilant as to what direction this market is going to go. But for the time being, we're going to keep that on the table. We're not going to get rid of this option yet. The next one is going to be Rite Aid. So let's go ahead and take a look at Rite Aid real quick. And here in Rite Aid, the market is not giving us any weakness. We play the weakness into the market in Rite Aid. We still have about 28 more days to let the market continue to play. But right now, we're still seeing some strength. So the market definitely looks to top out around $22 in the long term. But I'm still seeing that the market weakness is coming through, especially right here on the 3 weeks time frame. So maybe our option timing may be wrong, but we're going to continue to let this one ride out. Still have about a month left to allow this market in Rite Aid to continue to play. So I'm not really worried about that one just yet, because the weakness is definitely still being seen right there on the 3 weeks time frame, as well as on the monthly. All right. So let's do this real quick. The last one that we're going to look at is Sealed Air. As you all can see right here, we're playing the strength into the market in Sealed Air. I'm still going to go on with that. The market here is still giving us a lot of strength. As you all can see, we're not expecting a massive amount of strength though. I mean, we got the market restriction right there around $50. So once we see that market in Sealed Air get to $50, we'll have to come in and take off that option right here, this call option, to see this market in Sealed Air go higher in price. All right, so nothing changes here. Everything stays on the table. Following next week though, we'll have to pay a little bit more attention to Ginkgo Solar Holdings. All right, real quick, this is a snapshot of our portfolio right here on Tip Ranks. All of our positions right now within this portfolio is down, except for one, that's Southwestern Energy, but it's nothing really too detrimental. We'll talk about that over the weekend, break down these positions to see if we need to get rid of them or which ones we're going to add here to the portfolio. All right, now this is what you all really came here for, is to look at FTFT, Future Fintech Corporation. We're going to talk about this particular market real quick. And on a daily perspective, you all can see right here that this market is literally trading in a trading channel, okay? Albeit it is a massive trading channel though, right? This market is trending in a massive trading channel from $8.50 all the way back down here to $4, right? Now, something occurred yesterday. The market in future fintech saw pretty good indication of some momentum only to close at the bottom of the bar. And then on top of that, we got massive indication of volume coming through to confirm to us that there were more sellers going on into the market than there were buyers. It's just that simple. So the only two options we got on the table for future fintech is for it to continue to trade within these two lines, or we go lower in price. I'm not expecting the market in future fintech to break out above 850. The trap has confirmed what he is trying to do into the market for this particular stock. So we are not bullish as of this particular moment for future fintech, because if we were bullish, if the market was bullish, we would have seen the market continue its higher price movement yesterday, but it didn't do it. So we are definitely anticipating, if anything, the market to maintain this consolidation of trading range. You can see right here that yes, the market here is weak. On the 5-day time frame, same thing. Weekly time frame, same thing. So we're going to continue to play the weakness. It's relatively simple to see based off the price action, based off the spread, based off the volume, that future fintech is going to continue to give us some weakness. So what we're going to do is continue to play that. We're not going to come in and try to buck the system. We're not going to come in and try to alter what the trap is trying to do. He literally tells us what his plans are. Now, can we see the market come back down to $4 or $4.50? Because for us, we're going to play around $4.50 for future fintech. Now, there is a small outlier chance that we can see the market in future fintech hold support right here around $5 to $5.20. That's a possibility. So we need to keep that eyes open. We need to keep our eyes open as to whether or not that's going to come to fruition. So we would take some profit off the table around $5. But we're going to bring it all the way down to $4.50 though. Now, it might fall a little closer. I'm not saying it's going to be right on spot at $4.50. That's ridiculous. But it's going to be in that vicinity. It's going to be around that area, $4.55, $4.60, right? I'm not telling you it's going to be exactly at $4.51, but it's going to be around that area, okay? If not lower. So let's go ahead and play this out into the market for future fintech. The opportunity for us to see the strength was on yesterday's trading action, and it did not play out the way that many people expected it to do, which lets us know, if anything, we're going to continue to trade in this fashion. We're going to continue to trade this way, or we're going to see the market go down. Those are the only two options that are on the table for this particular moment. And that's it. We're in position all ready for future fintech. Give me all the heads up as to where we're expecting price to be, all without being confused. You see, there wasn't no need for us to look at no articles. There wasn't no need for us to look at any analysts to see what they think about this stock, because they all speak on price. And you can see it right here. This is what everyone is thinking about. Don't let people fool you. When you realize that this volume represents people's ideas based off what occurred yesterday, lets us know what majority of people were feeling yesterday. The answers are here on the price chart. You don't need anything else in order to win in the market. So follow us, hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. Drop your comment in the comment section as to where you expect this particular stock to go. I will say throughout the month of April. Where do you think price is headed? For the most part, for us, we're not seeing a indication of a massive breakdown, but at least seeing the market trade the sideways trading action right here. That's what we're seeing. Now, tell me, what do you all see? Drop the comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.